Another method you can utilize to find keywords for your business is Craigslist. Craigslist can be a gold mine to find some keywords for local businesses. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's very, very simple. So head over to Craigslist and then pick the city, which is where your business is located in. So for me, I'll go to states, I'll go to Virginia, and then I will go to Richmond. Once that's done, you'll see Richmond at the front of Craigslist, so richmond.craigslist.org. That just shows me I'm now searching Richmond for all of these services, or for sale, for jobs. I obviously want services, which is to do with carpet installation, flooring installation, so I will click services. And then I'll simply type in my keyword, so carpet installation, which is right there. There you'll see within seconds, I've got a keyword idea: professionally installed or repaired carpet and vinyl flooring. So the keyword I could include is professional carpet installation. That's one I didn't actually think of. I didn't actually see in any of my other keyword research processes. So again, this shows you why it's very important to cover every aspect of the keyword research. Do not leave any of these out. You'll find a ton of keywords which can help you. So that's just one I found literally within 5 seconds. If you keep scrolling down for more ideas, you've got professional power. I've seen that one already. Got installation. I've got affordable, which is a different variation for cheap. So affordable carpet installation could be a different keyword idea. So again, it's all about going through this to find different ideas. So low price is a different word for cheap. So again, you can target low price. So this is really, really beneficial. I wouldn't advise skipping Craigslist at all, because some people see this and like, oh, Craigslist can't help me. And what you can actually do as well is you can branch out. So instead of targeting just Richmond, there's no reason why I can't target Norfolk or a different city, for example. Just get different ideas, because potentially people could be searching for these as well. It just might be at the time you're searching, there's no ads available. So again, just play around with it. You'll find tons of keywords. I know from experience, and when we tried this on a different client site, I think it was last year in August, we found another 7 different keywords, and 7 might not sound like a lot, but these keywords added up in search volume to be another 300 searches a month. So definitely do play around with this. You'll find tons of keywords.